Welcome to the Wilber and Longenbaugh podcast, where we break down tax, accounting, and financial strategies to help businesses stay compliant, profitable, and prepared. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the ultimate accounting compliance checklist drawn from an expert business accounting guide.
Yeah, and our mission here is really to reframe compliance. It gets this reputation as a dreaded administrative chore.
Right, like something you just have to get through.
Exactly. But it's actually a vital framework that protects your profitability and, well, reduces risk.
Because compliance isn't just about avoiding penalties from the government. It's really about making sure the financial reality of your business matches your record.
Right. So you can actually make informed decisions. And that foundation, it always starts with accurate bookkeeping.
Which means looking at the daily numbers before we even worry about government reporting.
Yes. Specifically, reconciliations. Verifying that your bank and credit card accounts actually match what's in your system.
It's basically like checking your digital GPS against the actual road, right? Like if they don't match, you're just driving blind.
That is a great way to put it.
But let me push back on that a little bit. Since, basically everyone uses digital records and automated software now, isn't documentation pretty much automatic?
I mean, you would think so, but no. Digital records only work if they are organized and accessible.
Wait, really? Even with everything synced?
Yeah, because a digital footprint showing $1,000 left your account, it means nothing without the original receipt proving it was a legitimate business expense.
Oh, because the context is lost.
Exactly. Missing receipts or undocumented reimbursements, they become massive liabilities during an audit. That outflow suddenly gets reclassified.
Wow. So it's not just missing a transaction, it's, exposing yourself to a huge risk.
Right. And once that daily foundation is set, you have to look at the continuous processes. That's where mistakes get incredibly expensive.
High-risk zones.
Yeah, like payroll, for example.
Yeah.
It is a massive high-risk area.
Just because it happens so often.
Basically, yeah, small errors in like wage calculations or tax deposits, they repeat. They compound over time. It's not a one-off mistake.
Right. It's happening every single pay period.
And by the time you catch it, it's a huge mess. Furthermore, tax compliance shouldn't be a year-end scramble, It requires year-round proactive planning.
So let me ask you this. Are consistently late filings and large unexplained account balances, are those basically the ultimate check engine lights for a business's financial health?
Oh, absolutely. If those are flashing, you have a problem.
Mm-hmm.
And to keep those check engine lights from coming on, businesses need robust internal safeguards.
Right, internal controls.
Yeah, and people think those are just for massive corporations, but they aren't. Simple steps, like separating financial duties and restricting software access, that protects your assets.
Like making sure the person initiating the payments isn't the same person reconciling the bank statements.
Exactly. Because while technology and automation streamline the process, they absolutely do not replace human oversight.
Yeah, that makes sense. And it's interesting because those financial reports, your P&Ls and balance sheets, they kind of pull double duty.
How so?
Well, they satisfy compliance requirements, right? But at the same time, they serve as a strategic map for management.
Oh, totally. You can't chart a course for growth without an accurate map.
Okay, so let's distill this down. 3 key takeaways for everyone listening. First, compliance is an ongoing process, not an annual event.
Right. It's year-round.
Second, accurate, organized records and documentation are absolutely essential. And third, strong internal systems are what help businesses reduce risk and grow confidently.
Absolutely. You really need to evaluate your own quick checklist today. Are your accounts reconciled regularly? And, are your internal controls actually functioning right now?
Yeah, great questions. And for everyone listening, you can learn more about Wilber and Longenbaugh's accounting, tax, and advisory services at www.mwwcpa.com.
It's definitely worth looking into.
So I'll leave you with this. If your business's accounting software were subjected to a surprise audit tomorrow, would the data reveal a company built on a solid foundation for growth or one that is simply running on luck?